Alright guys, what's up? It's your girl Hypnoticlaadyy and I am here to show you guys how to get this look right here. Just gonna jump right into the video and we'll go from there. Alright, first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a cotton swab and some alcohol. I use the 91%. I already put my cap on and gelled my hair back because I had the wig on yesterday, so I'm just taking it off again to show you guys like how I did it. And then I clean my forehead for all debris, gel. Get your wig, adjust your combs in the back. And go ahead and put it on. Okay, take 2 clips. I like to use these to part off my hair from the frontal. So if I'm looking over here, there's a mirror over here, so I'm sorry. But pin your bang back so you could see on both sides. Okay, so this is what the lace should look like. I've already plucked it, I already bleached the knots, I already customized it. I'll be doing a separate video on how I customize my wigs. So after you get everything lined up and you see where you want everything, make sure it's all even. And this is what it should look like. Now you're gonna pull your wig back just a little bit and make sure you don't have no hair in the way. Pull all your hair back. And then I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued. I use the black bottle. And then I don't like getting the gel on my hands, so I use like my little spatula. So I get about like this much, and then you just after you do the first layer, you can go in with a dryer if you want to, or just let it air dry. I will be going in with a hair dryer. I have to go get that, so see me again. Check to see if it's tacky, and it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my second layer. So go in again right on top of what you just done. I only do 2 layers. Okay, you know what, I was trying to be bougie and do the little spatula, but you know, fuck it. After that, check it, see if it's tacky, and it is. Pull your wig up. Hold on, I think I have hair right there. Yes, okay. Pull your wig up to your hairline. Okay. Okay. Take your blow dryer again. After that is done, go in and look. So this is what we're looking like before I even like lay down my edges. But looks pretty natural for the most part. Okay. So next thing you want to do is after everything's down, I like to go in and comb my edges back. See how my edges kind of got stuck a little bit? Just comb it out. Comb all that out. Just comb all your edges back, basically. Okay. Once you do this part, now we're gonna do the baby hairs. I'm gonna put this clip back up for my bang. This is the Gorilla Snot I use the yellow one. It says punk, but I don't think like it means anything. I think they're all the same. And then I use like this little edge control brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. I use like that much. Okay, and just take it and put some on your edges. And it's like I'm doing baby hairs, but I want it like kind of like slick. Almost like baby hairs, but not really. Like, okay. Like this, and then I go in with my comb and I'll bring some of that hair back just to slick it some more, like this. And if I feel like that's too much, I'll push it back some more. Like, I want it to look as sleek as possible, not really a swoop effect like how I usually do my units. So I'm swooping but slicking it back at the same time, if you get what I'm trying to say. And this side is done. Now we're gonna go to the other side. you're done. So I'm gonna go in. This is what it looks like. You're gonna go in with a water bottle. I mean, you might not even need to, but in my case, I kinda don't need to. So this is the final thing. And then you can always go in just like with a little powder. I just use like a regular powder thing I have. And go in just to make sure everything's even. And this choice is optional. Again, you don't have to do this. Just go in with a little bit. And then to set my curls, like I said, wet the hair if it needs to be wet. And then I go in with this Wet and Wavy mousse. Took about 4 pumps, spread it a little bit, and then just scrunch. Y'all, I love this hair. I think it's so cute. And I do make all my units myself. So if you are interested in getting a custom unit made, you can email me. My email is in the description box. So yeah, like, what do you guys think? Let me know if you like it. And then that's really it. Like I said, this is really simple. And then I'm gonna go in and do like my, everyday makeup tutorial. I don't wear makeup every day. And then when I do wear makeup, I do like a whole face, but like for every day, I just do my eyebrows, eyelashes, and lip gloss. your eyebrows are done, I'm going to put on my eyelashes. I like to use the Kiss So Wispy. These were $2.99 at my local beauty supply store, and I think they look better than MAC's eyelashes, but you know, that's just a personal preference. To each his own. So y'all feel like, don't bash me for like my choices. And this is what it looks like. And then my last thing, which is my favorite. Well, I use like a mattifying spray, makeup, you know, setting spray. Even though I don't have any makeup on, just so my skin will like set what I have on, like the concealer and stuff. I don't know if that's weird, but that's what I do. So that's next. And I'm done. Like, this is like my little mini get ready with me everyday makeup tutorial, and how like I lay down this wig. What do you guys think? I like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what, you know, what else you guys want to see. I have some other tutorials coming up really soon. I just relocated, so I'm at a new address and everything's like better. So you know, just let me know what you guys want to see. My birthday is coming up, y'all. I'm gonna be 21. My birthday is actually Thursday. That's like crazy. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys later. Mwah.